Yes, yes, yes. We are live, guys. We are live. Let's get this party started. Okay? Let's get this party started, guys. Okay, I'm going early on the cha-ching button. Going early on the cha-ching button. Okay? Those who gain knowledge and those who know more than the rest will always be ahead of the pack. Okay? Knowledge, especially the right knowledge, will always keep you a step or 10 steps ahead of your competition. Okay? So what you're seeing right here is money from the people that are 10 steps ahead of you. In order to get to that level, you have to gain knowledge. Okay? You can't just follow blindly and think that you're going to make money just because you saw one of your friends make money. Okay? It doesn't work like this in this game. You always have to understand what's going on if you really want to make this money. So shout out to everybody that follows me, right? If you're making money right now, shout out to all you guys. I'm out of my position. I made my money. I'm quite sure a lot of you guys made your money. So shout out to everybody that's here in the chat room and everybody that's watching the replay. Right now, I'm just amped because it's just, you know, it's I don't know. I don't know what to say. I'm lost. You know, my words is not coming out right now, but all I have to say is stop letting these guys trick you and start learning how the market works. Okay? Shout out to all you guys that's making this money. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Basically, I'm a professional day trader and swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I swing trade the cryptos. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here, guys, I'm not playing no games. Okay, I'm not playing no games. I don't have time to scream moon. I don't have time to say that the market is bullish just because I want subscribers. I don't have time for that, guys. I want you guys to make money, and that's it. That's it. At the end of the day, let's make this money, because telling you guys that the market is bullish, telling you guys that we're going to the moon is not going to put money in your pocket. Okay? So you rather me lie to you, or do you want me to put money in your pocket? So that's what I'm all about. If you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Shout out to everybody that's here in the chat room. Let me check the chat room. So what's going on? Left Lane, Bobby, Leslie Savage, Ahmed, G Baker, TP dollar signs. Keith, what's going on? Mr. Hall, Glenn, everybody that's here, AJ. Everybody that's here, okay? So it comes to a point where, you know, when are you going to learn? When are you going to learn? You know, trust me, guys, I've been in your shoes before, so that's why I try to help you guys out. I don't want you guys to get amped just because, you know, you see 1 week of gains. I want you guys to become professionals. I want you guys to become a pro at this, because pros don't get excited just because they see one green bar or one green week. Okay, we don't get excited. We understand that this is a business. This is not a game, and we are here to make money. Okay? So if you are tired of seeing your account go down and you're tired of being lied to, definitely hit that subscribe button. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot, everybody, for coming in. If you have any questions, let me know. But let's see what I have going on so far. What's going on, Chosen? Chosen, I don't know if I saw you on my chat before. Are you new? Are you new, Chosen? G Baker, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? All right. Yes. Keith said this Discord board channel is the bomb. Get the course to join the chat. Shout out Keith. He's right. If you get the course, you can actually join the Discord room. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, so right now I'm babysitting my daughter, so we'll see how this stream goes. If I can't stream all the way, I'll definitely do another stream later on. The wife is out right now, so but anyway, guys, shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. Basically, right now the market is going down, and you know I've been telling you that that the market is in a bear trend. So you know, it's just what it is. G Baker said, I tried to set up JAFX. They closed to all U.S. accounts other than exchange. You can refer. I use well, I don't know any other exchange. You could, like I said before, the other anybody know any other exchange for a G Baker? Does Coinbase Pro allow you to short? Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for coming through. Does Coinbase Pro allow you to short? Like I said, I don't, you know, you can. Bobby said, how do I get the discount? Bobby, you got into the, Bobby, you got the course already, right, Bobby? Did you get the course already, Bobby? Okay, so guys, what we're looking at right now is a market that's tired of going up and it's pulling back and it's taking out these stops. Okay, so let me go over a couple of things because, like I said, I don't know how long this live stream will be because I'm babysitting my daughter right now, and hopefully she doesn't wake up while we streaming, but we'll see. Shout out to all you guys that's here. If you have any questions, if you are new to my channel, thanks a lot. Yeah, so Bobby, if you have my course already, definitely hit me up, shoot me an email. Let me give you my email right now. Okay, let me give you my email right now. And shout out to all you guys that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Okay, let me give you guys a round of applause. So, hey, what's going on, Randy? You at work listening? Okay. Yes. So, yeah, these banks and companies, it's not really the exchanges, it's the banks. Okay, the banks are making it. They're trying to make it hard for people to get in. Okay, and it's just what it is. And it's really not the banks too. It's mostly United States. Okay, because if you live in another country, you can definitely go to BitMEX and do your thing. But so if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm quite sure you guys could get around a lot of stuff. Of course, I'm not giving nobody advice. Of course, I'm not giving nobody advice. Let me ask anybody. Well, I shouldn't ask nobody on the chat. I was gonna ask somebody about the VPNs, but if anybody knows about the VPNs, like as in like, can you transfer money if you still using a VPN? If they can you transfer money to your bank account? That's a good question. I'm not saying that you guys should use a VPN. Of course not. I'm just asking the question. But anyway, so right now, guys, what we have here is a market that is guys, it's funny because people all the time, and I used to be this guy. I used to be this guy that always get tricked. Every time the market goes up, I buy and it sells. Every time I sell it, it goes up. I used to be that guy. Right? So you have to understand that when it comes to the market, you have to learn how it works. And guys, let me know. Guys, let me know if the stream is buffering. If it's good on your side. What's going on, Jude? Jude, are you new to the channel, Jude? Are you guys? Is the chat buffering or is it good? Please let me know. Because I don't want this chat to the stream to be all over the place. So shout out to Jude. Shout out to Jude. Okay, what's going on, Gardock? So you said it buffered a couple of times. What about now? Because right now it seems like it's good. I don't know what's going on here. but yeah, guys, you know, I'm gonna make this stream probably quick, probably for another half an hour. Okay, and I'll probably give you guys another half an hour. But hold on, let me see if I can actually fix it. Someone asked me about Tron. I'm gonna get to your question, Jude. I'm gonna get to your question. You says good, okay, because I was gonna try to fix it. So you said something about Tron. So let's go to TRX real quick. Okay, so guys, you have to understand, I told you guys that it looks like all these altcoins are going to their low. So to this low right here. So it looks like Tron is going to this low right here. Okay, so don't be surprised if Tron goes down even more. Okay, so Jude, right now Tron doesn't look like it's stabilizing. The market itself is not stabilizing. So Tron can't stabilize. If Bitcoin is going down this much, Tron is going down with it. Okay. XRP. Let's look at XRP here. Yeah, XRP going down. So guys, you have to understand that we are in a bear market, and you have to just, you know how to navigate through a bear market. So Jude, do you know that you can actually make money right now, Jude? Since you are new to the channel, and you know you probably never saw any of my videos, do you know that you can actually make money right now? Because most people don't understand that. You said not the greatest. No, Jude. See, that's why, you know, Jude, buy now is not a strategy. I'm not talking about buy now. Okay. That's not making money now, Jude. That's not making money. If you bought TRX, let's say that, for example, right? Because a lot of people on my chat room, they you know, they got happy when they saw TRX. They got happy when they saw TRX basically go up. Guys, give me a second. Let me see what's going on with the stream. Give me like 1 second. Let me see if I can make this stream better. So guys, is the stream still buffering? Let me know. Let me know if the stream is still buffering. I'm trying to make the stream not buffer. So anyway, yes, Jude, you see the way you're thinking right now, Jude? You said that the way to make money right now is to buy low. No, that's not the way to make money right now, Jude. Okay, I'm here to tell you that most YouTubers on the YouTube platform are basically amateurs when it comes to this. Okay, I'm a professional. I do this full time. I've been doing this for 11 years, and we are in a bear market. Okay, you have to understand what's a bear market. You have to understand a bear market is a market. Is the opposite of a bull market. Okay, so last year you saw BTC go up, right? You see BTC go up like crazy. Okay, now a bear market is just opposite. It goes down. Okay, now bear markets don't last for a couple of months. It lasts for years. Just like a bull market can last for years, a bear market can last for years. Okay, so buy low is a dangerous strategy in a bear market. Jude, you have to understand that buy low is a dangerous strategy in a bear market. Most YouTubers will tell you to buy low because that's the only thing. That's the only thing they know. That's the only thing they know to do. It's because they're not professionals. Okay, so Jude, me and my subscribers are making money via short in the market. Okay, so we are short in the market, making money. Okay, I took this short right here when the market hit the trend line right here. I took this short right here. Okay, on my live stream, I told all my subscribers and the people that's not subscribed to my channel, I told them, listen, guys, I'm short right here. Okay. Now, if you got my course, you know reason why I'm short. But basically, I made money on here, and my students are making money. Okay, and we continue to make money month after month, and that's has nothing to do with buy low. You're not making money if you buy low. Or for the people that basically been buying low this whole year, have not made any money. It's buffering again. Is it bad though? Is it bad, guys? Is the buffering real bad? Guys, is the buffering real bad? Let me know, because I really don't want to reset this stream. Is it real bad to the point where I had to reset the stream? Please let me know. Is it okay? All right, cool. Because I really didn't want to reset the stream. Okay, so Jude, in this market right here, let me explain to you, okay? Because most people don't understand how the market works. Let me explain to you. We have different cycles in the market, Jude. Okay, one cycle could be a bull cycle, the next cycle could be a bear cycle. You have to understand we have different cycles. Okay, if you buy in a bear cycle, you're basically saying, hey, here's all my money, and I want to throw away all my money. Okay, a bear cycle is not designed for you to buy low. Okay, because this thing could go lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. It's just how it works. So the best way, Jude, the best way to make money in this current market right now is to play these swings. Okay, some of my students are playing the swings up and down. Me personally, I'm only playing the swings down because the major swing, the major current trend is down. So we are in a bear market. So every time I see a opportunity to go short, I will go short. Okay, and this is how I'm doing it, and my students are doing it, and we making money consistently. So shout out to everybody that's here making this money. Let me see if I see any questions. Let me see. If you have any questions, if you are new to my channel, let me know. If you're tired of losing money and you don't understand what's going on and you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I can see things that you probably can't see. I can see things that these YouTubers can't see because they don't know what to do. So No Money said, send the link. I want to sign up. So you're talking about the course. So basically, during this live stream, I give a 50% off with this with the course. So I don't know if you're talking about this course, No Money. Are you talking about this course right here? Are you talking about the course, No Money? So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot. Like I said before, okay, so No Money is talking about this course. He wanted to get this course. So shout out to everybody that's new to the channel. He's talking about this course. This is the reason why most of my subscribers right now are making money right now from the market. Okay, so during the live stream, I give a 50% discount only on my live streams. So let me copy and paste this link to you. And no money wants to get this course. So the reason why, if anybody is new to the channel and you don't have this course, the reason why you want to get this course is it turns you into a professional. Okay, a professional doesn't get hyped or excited just because he see the market goes up for a week or two. Okay, a professional knows how to read the market and understand the current cycle the market is in. A professional understands how to make money whether the market is going up or down. A professional doesn't get tricked that easy and really doesn't pay attention to the news because he knows what's going on behind the scenes. This is why I named the chat F the News. Screw the news, guys. These guys are lying to you. They will continue to lie to you. They will always lie to you. Okay? So if you tired of losing money, guys, get this course. It will show you how to make this money right now, currently, because me and my subscribers are making this money on my live streams. I told my my subscribers, listen, I'm short right here, okay, and I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1, and I'm out. I already made my money. So if you want to learn how to do this, right? If you want to learn how to make money right now and stop waiting until the bulls come in, because we don't know when the bulls going to come. Probably going to be another, couple of years from now or more. So if you want to learn how to do that, definitely hit that, get that course. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm gonna let you guys know this. Let you guys know this before I get to some questions. If you're dealing with a YouTuber right now, and he's your favorite YouTuber, and he's using the same strategy that he used back in 2017, you probably want to not listen to him no more when it comes to making money. Now, if you want to go to that channel just to watch the news or be current on the news, then yeah, that's fine. But if you want to go to that channel just to learn how to make money, trust me, that's the wrong channel to be in. Okay, only stick to channels right now that are able to basically navigate through this current cycle. Okay, if that channel can't make money right now, okay, then most likely that person is not a professional, and he's just a YouTuber that's trying to push ICOs on you, trying to push everything on you so he can get the views, subscribers, whatever he can get, and take advantage of you. He's not a professional. Most of these YouTubers are basically playing you, telling you guys buy these dips. We going to the moon. We going to 50K. It's just crazy. So only stick to the people that are making money in this current situation, in this current market right now. So I just had to get that off my chest, because most YouTubers, what they do is they review ICOs, right? And they get paid maybe $2,500, $3,000, $5,000 per review. And that's how they make money off of you, okay? And they try to get you to buy these ICOs and not knowing that these ICOs are crap, okay? And when they review these ICOs, the people that are paying them, they basically tell them what to say, okay? So they say, listen, when you review this ICO, make sure that you tell them that this is the best project ever or one of the best projects ever, okay? So this is what these YouTubers are doing to you. So be careful who you follow on this platform. So shout out to everybody that's here. I told you guys, I can make way more money promoting ICOs than selling a course that's $110. Okay, first of all, I should be charging way more than this. Okay, you see the type of money people are making. One of my students, Embracing, I haven't seen him lately, but he was up 9,000. I know he's probably up way more than that. That was way before Bitcoin. That's when Bitcoin was at maybe like 77. He was up 9,000. So he probably, if he's still holding that trade, he's way up. He's up way more than 9,000. But shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm tired of people getting screwed. I'm tired of people getting screwed just because people in this space are amateurs. They don't know what to do. They don't know what they're doing. They just want to say moon, guys. Moon, moon, moon. 50K, 100K. They know that that's getting views. So I want to show you a quick video, CNBC, because most people don't understand how the news work. CNBC, listen to what this guy said before, I think on Friday, okay, before this big dump, right here. Listen to what this guy said, okay, and this is why I said on my title, F the news, man. Stop listening to this stupid news. So let me play this. It's going to be quick. I put it to 1.5 because I don't want this video to get tagged, copyright. So I'm going to play this real quick. This clip.
On Bitcoin, we've had this huge, painful bear market. Look at this, though. We've had a little pop here. Probably that was the move on the anticipation of an ETF, which didn't happen, and now we've retraced. So if you're looking for an entry point in Bitcoin, this might just be the place.
You heard what he said? If you're looking for an entry place in Bitcoin, this might be the place right here. Okay? So he's telling you to buy, guys. The news is telling you to buy. The news that you love and you trust and you read every single day and you listen to every single day. He said, guys, we've been going down for a long time, okay? We popped up and we pulled back. This is the place where to buy. Let's look at the chart, guys. Where's the chart? Where's the chart right now, okay? The chart is down. And it looks like it's going to continue to go down, okay? This is why I only focus on the chart. I've been telling you guys since day one. Since day one, I only focus on the chart. The news is just nonsense. Most of you guys, if you don't listen, you're going to just continue to get screwed. Just because your favorite YouTuber that has 100K subscribers doesn't mean that he knows what he's doing. So if you have any questions, let me know. Mighty Crypto said, how do I get in the class? You can get this course, right? When you get this course, when you buy this course, right now it's 50% off. Okay, when you get this course, I will send you the link to the Discord room. Okay, so when you get this course, I'm gonna send you the link to the Discord room, and you'll be all set. Okay, if anybody in this chat room don't have this course, it's a must get, because this course will show you how to make money right now. The same way I just made money from this short right here. It has it in the course step by step. And it's not just me, guys, making money. Read the testimonials, okay? You see a lot of my students are making money. My top student made 21,000. I told you that. Let me see if I see any questions. I just put the link in the thing if you don't have the course. Shout out to No Money, guys. Shout out to No Money. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for you. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. Basically, No Money got this course. If you don't know what he's talking about, he got this course right here. Okay, this course will show you how to be become a professional. And basically, he said that he's going to be one of my most profitable students. So shout out to him. And, you know, guess what? You can do that. No money. You can do that. Because I told you guys in the beginning of this live stream, those who have the knowledge is the ones that always on top. Don't you know, don't you guys see that? It's not just the market. It's just anywhere. You just look around. The people that has the most knowledge, right? I mean, has the knowledge, are the people that are on top, right? And it's the people that really don't educate themselves. Those are people that always want to blame someone for their mistakes, always complaining, always looking for a handout. Look at it. The people that has no money, they always looking for some handout. They're looking for someone to blame. They're looking for someone to save them. But it's the people that have the knowledge is always on top. So knowledge, and it is the key to get the right knowledge. Okay. So I know you heard the saying that knowledge is power. That's correct, but the right knowledge is power. Okay. So make sure you get the right knowledge. Shout out to No Money. He said that he's going to be one of my most profitable students. So shout out to you. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. And let me give you a round of applause. Okay. If you are new to the channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Right now, the market is selling off. Okay. So let's go through. Let's look at CoinMarketCap real quick. Let me see if I go to CoinMarketCap. Give me a second, guys. Let me pull up CoinMarketCap. If you have any questions, let me know. I know a lot of people probably don't know what's going on. Surprise, or I don't know what's going on. But basically, guys, we had a resistance. We had resistance at the 300 billion mark. I've been talking about this mark ever since last month, I guess. Ever since last month, I've been talking about this $300 billion mark. I think I was the only guy on YouTube that was talking about this mark. I said, guys, this is a resistance. Every time I see the market try to go to it, it goes right back down. So we tried to do it one more time, and this was around here. We tried to go up to 300 billion. We actually did. We went to 304, I believe, was the top. 304, 305 was the top. And guess what? We shot right back down. And not only that, guys, I told you that this whole move up, I told you guys this whole move up was kind of suspect to me because, number one, let's go to Bitcoin volume, okay? Let's look at the volume real quick. I told you guys that when we had this accumulation at the bottom, right, this inverse head and shoulder, the volume was so low, guys. It was at it was like one of the lowest. Like basically it was at 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion. If you know anything about the whales and the big dogs, these guys accumulate at the bottom. They don't accumulate at the top. So it was suspect to see the volume increase while the market was going up at the top instead of at the bottom. So that was another red flag for me. Another red flag for me was the altcoins, right? The altcoins was basically going nowhere. They went up for a little bit, right? And then they shot right back down. Meanwhile, Bitcoin was the only one that was holding its gains, right? And it didn't seem right. Why Bitcoin is holding its gains and the altcoins are lagging? So I said to myself, it seems like the altcoins are the leading indicator. So the altcoins is basically telling the truth, and Bitcoin is lying to us right now. The altcoins are telling the truth, and Bitcoin is lying. And I told my subscribers, be careful if you're trying to buy these dips, because these altcoins are basically telling the truth right now. And that's what happened. Ethereum shot down in the channel. It broke the channel. I told you guys way before this thing broke the channel that this looks like a continuation pattern. Okay, we see a big dump, we see consolidation, and I said, guys, most likely it's going to go down because it looks like a continuation pattern. So you have to understand how things work. That's why knowledge is key. Hey, what's going on, Peter? He said, nice to hear your voice. A reason. Yeah, I hear you, man. We are in bearish times right now, and that's why it is good to educate yourself. This is the time to educate yourself, okay? Because last year we got spoiled. Last year a lot of people got spoiled. They thought they knew everything, right? And I've been doing this for 11 years, guys. Trust me. Trust me. When I first started to invest, you know, when I had a good winning streak, guys, I got cocky. I thought I knew, you know, I thought I knew everything, and I thought I was gonna, you know, I was on my way to make my $1 million, and then the market humbled me. Okay, so you have to understand that the market is designed to take your money. It's not designed for you to win. Okay, the time, you know, when you think that you're about to make your millions, that's when the market will humble you, crash, take all your money, and then go right back up, or sometimes it don't even go up. Okay, so you have to understand that you have to play these markets like a pro. Don't get excited when you see a pump. You know, I told you guys that with Bitcoin itself, we had these big pullbacks, okay? And I said every single pullback is getting smaller, guys. This pullback was, this is the first big pullback. We went down. Second big pullback, we went down. And I said, guys, most likely this pullback is going to be smaller than this pullback or this pullback, okay? I mean, how many times do you want to get, I don't know. It's just what it is. And this is why I tell the trolls that come on my live stream, come to my live stream when the market comes, you know, goes down to. Because I don't want you to come on my live stream only when the market is up for a couple of weeks. Come on my live stream when the market is going down too, because they don't understand that I'm not against them. You know, people don't understand. I'm not against you. Okay. That's why those guys will never become a professional, because they don't understand that I'm not against nobody that's holding. I'm not against no bulls, no nothing. I go along with the market, the current market. Okay. So if the market goes up to 50K, guess what? I'm going up with the market. If the market goes down to 2K, guess what? I'm going down with the market. And when I mean I'm going down with the market, meaning I'm making money while the market is going down. Most people can't understand that. So when I tell people I'm making money from shorting the market, automatically they think I'm a bear and I don't care about cryptocurrencies and I'm against them. No, I'm not against you. We are on the same team. We're fighting the same guy. Okay, we all are in the same matrix. You know, so don't think that I'm against you. No, I want everybody to win. That's why I come on here to warn you guys. Hey guys, we are still in a bear market. Keep that in mind. I always tell you guys, keep that in mind. We are still in the bear market. Okay, and I just showed you a clip of CNBC, a guy telling you this is a good place to buy right here. Okay, and this was on Friday, and guess what happened today? We shot right back down. So if you listen to the news, this is what's going to happen to you. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat room. Guys, can you hear my voice? For some reason nobody is asking any questions right now. Maybe because you're just listening to me speak. But let me know. Can you hear the audio? Is the audio clear? Let me know. Let me know if the audio is good or what. But shout out to everybody that got the course. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, you guys. What's going on, Paul? Are we Big Ben making students or what? Shout out to Paul. And this, guys, this is why I told you guys. Okay, it's good. Okay. Court said, "Can I get the Discord link?" Court, yes. You got Court. You got the. Did you get the course yet? Because trust me, I can't remember everybody that got the course. So I'm not trying to play you or anything. Anybody that got the course, just send me a link. I mean, send me an email with proof that you bought the course. Send me an email with proof that you bought the course. And guys, anybody that got this course today or any day, anybody that got this course, please send me an email with proof that you bought the course. I can't remember everybody that got the course. Okay, proof with the email that you got the course. If you don't have my email, I'm gonna give you the email today, right now. Okay, send me proof that you bought the course, and then I will send you the link. So I'm gonna give you the email address right now. I created the Discord yesterday. So anyway, guys, I was talking about this channel right here yesterday. Okay, I was talking about this channel yesterday, and it's funny how people claim that TA doesn't work in crypto market, and it's funny how people say, "Oh my gosh, this is so unpredictable." Guys, it's not unpredictable if you understand what's going on. So I said, guys, it looks like we're going down in this channel, okay? And sure enough, guess what? It respect that channel and it shot right back down. And not only that, guys, when we was going down, okay, and you know I wasn't taking any shorts. I was just chilling, okay? I was just chilling, and I said, okay, I like this area. We had a nice little setup on a daily chart. I took this short because sellers came in because we had multiple chances to go up, okay? We had a chance to go up right here because you see sellers came in, we shot right back up. So we had a chance to go up, and we shot down again and shot right back up. So we had that chance. And then we shot back down. I was like, nope, oh, okay. If sellers coming in, then most likely this level right here is holding. I'm going short. I went short, and you know that I told you that I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1, and I said that, guys, the people that bought this breakout right here on a 4-hour chart, their stop is below this candle right here. They stop, their stop is below this candle right here. And I told you that it's a strong possibility that Bitcoin will go and stop these guys out, because that's how the market works. The market is designed to take your money. I told you guys all the time. The market's not a friendly place. It's not a friendly place. So for you guys that always, ask me about, certain things, I tell you guys, it's not up to the coin or the owner of the coin. The market is going to do whatever the market is going to do. Let me see if I see any questions. Yes. Yeah, I know. I hear you, man. So, guys, you have any questions, let me know. You have any questions, let me know. And the reason why I said F the news, because the news will never, ever tell you how to make this money. And most people don't know how the market works, okay? Most people do not know how the market works, okay? This is how everything works. I'm not going to go too much in detail. But this is how it works, okay? You got the rich, okay? You got the rich right here, okay? You got the rich. You got the rich right here, okay? And then You have the media outlets, okay, the news. Okay. I'm trying to, draw this out. So forgive me, guys. So you got the rich. Okay. So who is the rich? Like I said, I'm not going to get into, detail with this, but who is the rich? You should know who's the rich. Okay. The people that control society. Okay. Now, these people basically control the news outlet. Okay. And, they basically can tell the news anything they want. And you have to understand that the rich are rich for a reason. And in order for them to stay rich, they have to take money from people. You have to understand how it works. It all works. You have to understand how the all financial system work, everything work in the world, okay? The system doesn't work without us. Most people just don't understand that. The system doesn't work without us. Like I said, I'm not going to get too crazy because I know how they get on YouTube. But the system doesn't work without us, But the rich basically control society. They control the news outlets. So whatever you see on the news, it's manufactured, okay? It's planned out. So you see this guy telling you to buy right here, okay? I can almost guarantee you. I'm not going to say it was planned out. I'm not going to say. I will say it's allegedly it's planned out. Because I want to protect myself. So I said allegedly, but most likely someone paid these guys to say something like this, okay? Allegedly. So you have the news, and then you have society, okay? I'm not going to even say society. I'm going to say YouTubers, okay? So YouTubers. Then you have YouTubers that watch the news, right? And they bring the news to you, right? To you. So I'm going to put you right here. This is you, okay? This is you right here. Now, most of you guys that came in this market, most of you guys is just like 5-year-olds, okay? And I'm not trying to say that to be, disrespectful. I'm just saying that most of you guys are new. You're young to this space. So the same way I can go to a 5-year-old and tell them a 5-year-old, hey, man, this is that, or this is this, whatever. Most likely he's going to believe it because he don't have enough information or experience to understand what's right and what's wrong. So you that basically, you right here, this is you right here. You're new to the space. So you come to the space and you have that young mentality because like I said, you don't understand what's going on. So you listen to the YouTubers that has 100K subscribers or 60K subscribers or 50K subscribers, okay? And they feeding you, the YouTubers, they feeding you the news, okay? The news right here, okay? And they getting the news from these guys right here. Now you have to understand these guys on top. You have to understand their agenda, okay? You have to understand what they thinking every single day, why they wake up every single day. You have to understand why they wake up every single day. They don't wake up the same way you wake up, okay? They wake up to figure out how can I scheme, how can I take and continue to take your money, okay? And I told you guys that the rich only get richer, they stay richer, usually by two ways. They either have you work for them, okay? So your 9 to 5 keeps them richer, keeps them staying at that level. And another way they get rich is by taking your money, okay? So they come up with schemes to take your money, okay? And in a market, the market is a dangerous place. Most people don't understand the market is a dangerous place. And I'm going to tell you why it's a dangerous place. Because you are competing with scientists, billionaires, millionaires, the smartest people on the planet. You are competing against these guys, and you don't understand that these guys are looking to take your money. Because the reason why they're looking to take your money, because that's the only way they'll make money. Okay? They can't make no money without taking your money. So when you see the market go, going up like this, trust me, guys, it's not us. This is not us pushing up the market like this. Okay? We don't have enough money to push up the market. So it's these guys that's pushing up the market. Okay? But in order for them to make money, someone has to lose. Someone has to lose. Most people don't understand how this game works. I really didn't want to break it down like this. But it is what it is. Most people probably don't even watch this stream. It's probably like what, 45 minutes in. So most people probably don't even watch 45 minutes in. So I might be okay. But at the same time, some of you guys just have to understand how it works. Okay, this is not a video game. This is not, hey, let's join crypto, let's hold hands. It's not about that, guys. This is a business, and if you know anything about business, you know that it's structured, right? It's planned, and it's designed a certain way. Okay, and every market, it's not just the crypto market. Every single market is designed a certain way so the average Joe can't make it. Okay, the average Joe, if you know about this business, they say that 90% of investors and traders, they lose money because this market is not designed for you to make money. It's not. This is why you always have to educate yourself. Okay, this is why I come on my streams and I tell you guys, I've been doing this for 11 years plus, and I come on here and I say, guys, this is what I see. And a lot of you guys see that when I make a trade, I'm making money. But at the end of the day, it's up to you if you want to change the way you think, because this game, this market is not a game. This market is far from the coins that you buy. Okay, most people think, oh man, I love this. This is a great project. Trust me, it's far from that. Okay, just the same way that people think that, how many times people, don't get it twisted. I still think gold and silver is, a good investment. But you know how many people thought that gold was going to the moon or whatever the case is, and look at gold. Okay, this is why I'm trying to tell people the product itself has nothing to do with the market. The product itself has nothing to do with the market. Okay, so yes, gold is viable. Okay, but the people that control this market, they can suppress and bring down the price just because. And this is what I try to tell people all the time. Okay, the market has nothing to do with the coin itself or the product itself. It's two separate things. Most people just can't get that out their head. So yes, your project or your coin or your company or your stock might be a great stock, but that doesn't mean that it has to go up. It doesn't mean that. So you have to understand how this thing works. If you don't understand how it works, most likely it's going to be hard for you. Most likely it's going to be hard for you. Okay. So and this is gold right here. Okay, this is gold. I wish I could get a better chart than this, but for a long time, gold been in this thing. Okay, according to a lot of people, gold should have been at let me see, 10K by now. Okay, But at the same time, it has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with your beliefs. It has nothing to do with what you believe. Okay, a lot of people think that, gold should be at maybe, 50K or whatever K. It has nothing to do with what you think. This is why I'm trying to tell you that this game is not a video game. It's controlled, right? It's designed to take your money. You have to understand how to play this game. Now, if you want to make money consistently, the best way this year is to play these swings. This year, the best way to make money consistently is to play these swings. I've been preaching this ever since I came on live. And I told you guys, if you don't want to believe me, you're gonna watch me, and you're gonna watch my students make money. I told you that on day one when I started streaming last month or a couple of months ago. On day one, I said, guys, if you don't want to believe me, fine. I don't care. If you want to continue to buy these dips, I'm okay with that. But you're going to watch me and my students continue to make this money. So let me go back to the chat room. Let's see what's going on. A Fat said, I made a cool $100. So shout out to him. For you guys that don't know what he's talking about, he's one of my students. And he made $100, okay? So shout out to him for making his money. Shout out to you, Fad, for making that $100. Fad said you gotta get the course. Shout out to you. Trev said I made $120, man. Come on, guys. Come on, man. Like, come on. Are you serious? Like, if you've been watching my streams, watching me since day one, and you're still in that buy and hold mentality, come on, guys. There's money out here. You just missing out. Trev made $120. Shout out to him. Shout out to all you guys that's making this money. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Let me see. And shout out to everybody that's just joined the stream. I can't really, I didn't really see who. Oh, Bambino. I didn't even see Bambino. I see people say, congrats, Bambino. So Bambino made $260. He said, thanks to your course. Okay, so shout out to Bambino, man. And for y'all people who don't have this course by now, basically during the live stream is 50% off, okay? And these guys are using the setups that's in this course to make this money. So I just copy and paste the course. And if you buy the course today, email me because I will send you the link to the Discord room, okay? So I just sent you the link to the course. So shout out to all you guys that took the course, read the course, and followed the course step by step. And you guys are making this money, okay? Because and also shout out to you guys that's the guys that basically took a risk, took a chance, and got the course, and now you see the light. Now you see opportunity right in front of your face, okay? Shout out to you guys because most people they're not going to change their way they think. So shout out to you guys, man. Because trust me, guys, it's very hard to change the way you think. And I definitely want to congratulate you guys. Let me see if I see any questions. Let me see if I see any questions. $45 said, what up, everybody here at work at the office listening. Shout out to 45. Shout out to Keith, guys. Keith just gave me that $10 super chat. Thanks a lot, Keith. I definitely appreciate it. You don't know. I definitely do. Shout out to you, Keith. Keith is actually one of my students making his money too. He said, shout out to Big Ben Discord channel. Pick up the course and join the community. Okay, so shout out to him, man. Thanks a lot for that super chat. I appreciate it. Cedric said, "Hey, hi Ben, I just exit my trade for $220. Guys, you understand? I want to scream right now, but my daughter is sleeping. Okay, I want to be more. I want to be a little bit amped right now, but I can't because my daughter is sleeping. But if she wasn't sleeping, guys, I'd be screaming right now because you don't understand that people don't understand what they are doing right now. They're using hope as a strategy, and most of you guys out here, basically, you know, your guys are seeing the light. TB's $ said, "Get the course, new guys. I'm up $500 in the past 3 days." Goodness gracious, man. Goodness gracious. Whew. You know, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, I just broke down how the market works. I'm not gonna break it down again. If you didn't see it, definitely replay this video. But it's up to you if you want to change the way you think. That's up to you. I don't force nobody to change the way they think. You know, if you want to continue to buy these dips and, you know, waste money like that, because we don't know the bottom. This thing could last for years. The best thing to do right now is play the swings. In my opinion, and of course I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Let me see. Shout out to Keith. So yeah, guys. If you are available later on, I probably will come back on the stream. But guys, you know, I told you guys to be careful with buying these dips, because if you notice Bitcoin, this is why the charts, you know, if you study history, guys, notice when every time we had these big pullbacks, it was short pullbacks, it was spikes, right? You see how Bitcoin was going up in a straight line. I told you guys, when Bitcoin goes up in that straight line, it's unsustainable. It's unsustainable. Okay, we went up in a straight line right here back in February, and guess what? We got shot down. Okay, same thing right here. We went up, short pullbacks, and guess what? We got shot down. Same thing over here, guys. We was going up, short pullbacks, and guess what? We got shot down. So you have to understand that, you know, this stuff repeats over and over and over. I saw one channel yesterday or day before yesterday say, guys, he said, I'm going to say something stupid, but, you know, we are in a bull market. That's what he said. We are in a bull market. Okay? And this is the people that you are following, you are subscribed to, and they basically helping you lose money. They helping you lose money. He said we are in a bear market. How can you say we are in the bear market? If you go to CoinMarketCap, guys, okay? Let's refresh this. CoinMarketCap, go to the cap. Basically, we down $252 billion. At the high, we was at what? 330 something billion, I believe. So that's basically 600 billion leaving the market. Okay, 600 billion leaving the market, and we in the bull market. Are you kidding me? So this is why you have to be careful of, you know what YouTuber you watch, because they will basically tell you anything just to get views. Okay, and most of these subscribers, all they have to do, all they do is just read the news, guys. I swear to you, that's all they do. They come on here. Okay, guys, we got some good news today, guys. We got some good news, right? Remember yesterday? Yesterday that Starbucks thing came on. Someone asked me about that. I said, you know what? That's probably good in the future. But right now, no news could save this market. Okay? And guess what? The market popped up, right? Everybody got happy. They said, guys, I think this is the bottom here. This is what most YouTubers were saying. Guys, I think this is the bottom. I think we're going to reverse from right here. Okay? And this is what's going on, because the reason why that's going on is because most people don't have a strategy. If you don't have a system, automatically you're going to depend on the news. You're going to depend on something that's helping you, or something that's you think that's going to help you. Okay, so we shot up with that's Starbucks news. Everybody got happy, and guess what? We shot right back down. That's a bear market for you guys. The news don't come on, man. You know, same thing with Tron. Okay, shout out Tron. Shout out to all my Tron holders. I told you guys, even if the coin is a good coin, Justin's son, even though he's a good marketer and promoter and probably a good business guy, it's not his fault that his coin is going down. You know, it's the market. So even with Tron got some news. Remember that news? We popped up, and guess what? Shot right back down. Okay, and a lot of my students actually made money from here too. So you have to understand that news is structured. These guys that got the money, they know the news way before the news come out. Okay, you have to understand all this stuff is controlled, man. Like I said, I don't want to get too deep into this stuff, but all this stuff is controlled. These guys know what's going on behind the scenes before it even happens. So, you know, like I said, it's up to you. You don't have to believe me. You know, the chart is telling you. You know, the chart is speaking to you. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Um, 45 said, take that 110, buy the dip. And watch you lose the money. He said, or get the course and learn how to short and make money overnight for real. Shout out to 45, man. He's a comedian. Basically, he's talking about this course right here. He said, you either could take $110 and buy the dip and lose money, or get this course, okay? And you can make 110 over and over and over and over and over again if you know how to follow the steps. You know? If you know how to study, if you're dedicated. Oh, man, I'm about to get off the stream though. Let me see. Anything else I want to say? If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me see. Shout out to everybody that's here though, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. Shout out to Bimma. I just read what he said, man. That's funny. That's funny. Shout out to you, Ali. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. He said one of the best channels out here. Thanks a lot. You know, honestly, I just want you guys to win. I just want you guys to win. I want you guys to be safe. I want you guys to not blow your hard-earned money, because I made the same mistakes. All I'm trying to do is help you guys avoid the mistakes I made when I was coming up, okay? No one held my hand and say, Ben, you're doing something wrong. You shouldn't be buying at the top when, you know, when things is going down like this. So that's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to, you know, warn you guys that, you know, guys, we are in the bear market. Don't get too excited. I know the market, you know, shot up a little bit. I understand, you know, don't get too excited. Just be cautious, play it like a pro, and, you know, it is what it is. But probably about to get out of here. I'll probably come on later on tonight. If anyone has questions, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. It's funny because also we had this right here. This is the CME futures. Okay, this is the CME futures right here, and this is when it opened. Okay, This is the CME futures. This is when it opened. Look at the volume, okay? We had the most volume in the CME futures this week. This week, guys, when the market was falling off. So look at the volume, guys. The most ever. So that means something. You know what that means? That means that someone behind the scenes knew that this thing was going to drop. And guess what? They sold so much futures. You know, they probably, these guys are making so much money. They playing, a lot of these guys is playing games, man. They playing with you. Okay, so a lot of these guys, like Charlie Lee and all these guys that come on CNBC, they understand what's going on behind the scenes. And they short, I'm quite sure they short in Bitcoin. I'm quite sure. Right? You know, you see all this volume, all of a sudden, the most ever since Bitcoin came in the futures, CME, and now you see the market drop like a tank. I mean, like a rock. It looks like it's trying to go. You know how many people bought at this area right here too? You know how many people on YouTube talking about, oh, this guy's right here. You know, I see a green candle. You know, I'm going to buy right here. I saw people on YouTube that was, you know, screaming bear, and then all of a sudden, you know, when the market went up like this, they were screaming bullish. So, you know, you just got to be careful who you follow. And don't get excited when you see an up move. I told you guys that for me, in order for this market, for me to believe that this market is bullish, we have to at least go to 10K and not even hit 10K. Go to 10K and hold that level. But this move right here tells me that most likely this thing doesn't want to go up. Most likely it doesn't want to go up, because that's a lot of selling, guys, at a key level. This is a lot of selling at a key level. So, you know, it's sad though. It's sad because a lot of people got their hopes up. A lot of people put a lot of money from this in this inverse head and shoulders. You said, do I see a bullish? Bruno, do you see a bullish diversion on a 4-hour RSI? What do you mean, a bullish diversion on a 4-hour RSI? First of all, I'm not looking at anything to be bullish. You can't basically, in a bear market, you can't depend on indicators to tell you when the bottom is here. Okay, so you said a bullish divergence right here. You said a bullish divergence right here, but this doesn't mean anything because this market could continue to go back down. So I wouldn't depend on any indicator, especially this market just shot right down like this. Okay, so even though you see this bullish divergence right here, to me that doesn't mean anything. It just means that this market could go lower and lower and lower. I don't pay attention to indicators too much. I know that indicators are lagging, and you know, I spoke about this yesterday. Indicators are lagging, and they basically are training wheels when it comes to trading. But yes, I wouldn't trust any indicator right now when it comes to buying. When it comes to buying, I wouldn't trust any indicators right now. So please do not look. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but you know, please, you know, stop buying these dips. Wait for more confirmation. Okay, why would you want to lose your hard-earned money? Why would you want to do that? Anyway, let me see if I see any questions. Left Lane said, I don't even know how those indicators work, honestly. Yeah, so these indicators, basically, when you see these indicators, the reason why I say they are lagging is because they are following price. In order to get these squiggly lines that's on the indicator right here, price has to go up. Price has to move, okay? So the indicator is following price. So the indicator will always lag. It's not true. You know, it's not a true indicator. So that's why, me personally, I follow only the price. When it comes to the daily charts, that's the only time I see the indicators probably work the best on the daily charts. But when you go below, you know, sometimes it's just, you know, whatever. But let me see. Left Lane said the course is all I need. Shout out to you, man. Yeah, so guys, I showed you, like, if you don't have this course, you know, I'm showing you live, okay? I'm showing you live the same setups that's on the course, the same material that I explained in the course. I'm showing you live, right? I took a nice little setup right here, the setup that's on the course, and I'm showing you that I'm not making this stuff up. This stuff repeats. These patterns repeat over and over and over and over and over and again. I'm about to get out of here. Let me see. Yeah, I know, man. I know. You said the fact it dropped below 50 EMA in one day. You said I'm not excited now. Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you. Yes, most likely. You know, most likely they want to go down. Honestly, I thought we was gonna have some type of double top, or I thought we was gonna go up one more time. I thought we was gonna go up one more time. But what I'm thinking is, because you have to understand, if you just listen to how I explain the market and how it works, I'm not gonna explain it no more. But if you just listen to how the market works, basically you have to understand that they are at least 100 steps ahead of you. They are at least 100 steps ahead of you. So they basically, what I mean by that is they can see everything, guys. They have the ability to know how many people are buying right now, how many people are selling, how many people bought this top right here, right? They have the ability to understand where you put your stop loss at. They know everything, guys. They know the data. They have the data. Okay, so that's why it's so easy for them to make this money, because they have everything that they need to take your money. So the way I'm thinking is, the reason why we selling off like this, and it seems like we don't want to go up no more. The reason why I think that is because they probably know that a lot of people had a lot of sell orders at 9,000 and 10,000. Okay, I believe they knew that a lot of people had sell orders at 9,000 and 10,000, meaning that when it hit 9,000, a lot of people was going to sell to break even to get out the market, or when it hit 10,000, a lot of people was going to sell to break even to get out the market. So they probably knew, they had the data, they have all the numbers right in front of their face, okay? And then, so that's why they probably didn't want to go that high, because they know that people was going to get out, okay? So now they reversing this market to take your money. This is why I say they are 100 steps ahead of you. This is why, you know, you have to understand what's going on, because you are competing against the best of the best. This is not a game, guys. This is not, be honest with you, this investing world right here, this is not about cryptocurrency. It's not about cryptocurrency. I had to learn the hard way. And especially we dealing with a market that's unregulated, and we dealing with a market that's very volatile. Okay, It has nothing to do with cryptocurrency. It has everything to do with how investing works. Most people believe in a project, and I understand. I understand you want to believe in your project, but it has nothing to do with your project. It has everything to do with how investing works. Let me see if I see Fernando TRX. I don't know why you're saying TRX, in a row like that. Lopez, let me know why you're saying TRX like that in a row. But you said do the measure move work on a daily chart also best? No, measure moves work on any chart. They work on a daily chart. They work on the 4-hour chart, any chart for the most part. You said you waiting for the bounce back, like a rubber band. Yes, definitely. So if any of you guys have any questions, let me know, because I'm about to get off this stream. I'll probably stream later on. Right now I have my daughter, and she's sleeping right now. But let me see if you have any questions, let me know. Just be careful out here, guys. The news is not here to don't guys, this you heard it here first. Don't get excited if you hear any good news from now on, okay? Any good news, don't get excited. Okay? Please. I'm trying to matter of fact, let's be different than these other crypto investors. Let's be different. Let's act like professionals, okay? Let's not get excited just because we hear good news. Let's play this game the way it should, like we should play the game, and play accordingly. And we focus on the chart, because the charts are the numbers, and the numbers don't lie. We had good news. Guess what? It popped up, it hit this channel, and shot right back down. Okay? We had good news. This whole up move. Good news. Bang, bang, bang. Guys, we're going to the moon. Bang, 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 bang. We're going up, right? As a professional, I didn't get excited. I didn't get excited at all. I waited. I tried to figure out what the market was trying to do. I took it day by day. We finally hit a key level. Good news coming out. Good news coming out. Good news coming out. We went up a little bit. More good news. More good news. We went down. Good news. Good news. Good news. Okay. And then I say, okay, guys, we are at a key level. Sellers is coming in at the key level. I don't care what the news say, guys. I'm going short right here, and I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1. And that's how I made my quick 1-to-1. I didn't listen to the news. I know how this market works. I know who control the news. I know why they want you to believe the news, because they want you to do the opposite of what they're trying to do. It's just what it is. You don't have to believe me. I've been doing this for 11 years plus. 10 years plus. Let me see. You said, does BitMEX trade against their owners, customers? They probably do. They probably do. That's a profitable business. That's a profitable business when you trade against your customers, because most people lose because they don't understand what's going on, right? Most people lose because they don't understand what's going on. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. My wife is calling me. Hold on. Yellow. She's sleeping. Yeah, I'm doing a session right now, so I'll call you back. I love you. Love you. All right. Yeah, hello. So you have to understand how things work. So Left Lane said 31 watching, 16 likes. Yes, yeah, hit those likes. So yes, BitMax probably trade against their customers, and most exchanges trade against their customers because they know that most people will lose. So they doing, you know. Let me see if I see anything. What's going on, Mart? How you doing, Mart? Mart said chart don't lie. Some people hard to admit that. Yes. So shout out to Mart. Shout out to Mart. Thanks a lot for coming through, Mart. Shout out to Mart. If I'm not mistaken, I believe Mart, you bought the course yesterday, right, Mart? Let me see. Bema Bro said I closed the short at 69. Now I'm waiting for to open up a new one. Do you think I should wait for a small bounce? Yeah, Bema Bros. You know, don't force no trades. Okay, if you don't see no trade, if you don't see a trade, don't force it. Okay, I'm quite sure you made decent money from this down move, so don't force it. Don't force a trade because it's not worth it. You know, wait for a quality setup, and you know, of course, I'm not giving nobody's financial advice. Keith said it was a bull market, now it's a bear market. Exactly. Okay, it's just what it is. That's how BTC works. If you look at the history, if you look at the chart, you see BTC has a history of going up like crazy and then dropping down like crazy. And this one might be one of the worst because we went up to close to $1 trillion in the market cap. We went up close to the trillion, so this might be a crazy bear market. But anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. If you have any more questions, let me know. Shout out to Mart. Mart, did you get my course, Mart? Let me know, Mart. Philip said, bro, I love your channel. I have swing traded. I'm holding this bull market. So shout out to you, man. He said, boy, your course works, man. No problem. Thanks a lot, Phillips. So there's no more questions. I'm about to get out of here. So thanks a lot, guys, for coming through. I appreciate it. Be careful out here. I know a lot of people, you know, are stubborn, so they're gonna keep on buying these dips. But be careful, guys. You know, this thing could go lower. Okay, so be careful. And just learn how the market works. Okay, okay, Mart. Okay, I hear you. So Mart, you know, you can, Mart, if you have crypto, you can actually pay in crypto if you want, though. You know, if you want, you can pay in crypto, but that, you know, that's up to you. That's up to you, Mart. You have my email. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for coming through. Please do not fall for the hype. Because I know YouTube, a lot of YouTubers today are going to say, guys, this is a buying opportunity. Okay, I know most YouTubers are going to say, guys, this is a buying opportunity. Get in, buy. Okay, and you know, just can't fall for the hype, guys. You can't fall for the hype. So be careful out here, guys. I can pay you in crypto. Yes, you can pay me in crypto. So here's the here's my email address, Mart. Okay, here's my email address. Email me right now, Mart. Email me right now so I know that you was in this in the live stream, so I can give you that 110 discount. And once you get the course, Mart, I will give you the link to the Discord room. Okay, so You could email me if you want to pay with crypto. Email me right now though, because I want to make sure that you get the discount. But shout out to you guys. So you said, so BitMEX can stop everybody out because they know everybody stopped. Well, it's not BitMEX, okay? They're not going to stop you out, okay? They're not going to stop you out. But what they would do is basically take another, you know, and I'm not saying that they're doing this, but they can actually, you know, if they see you go, if they see you go long, they can go short because they know most people lose. Okay, if you look at most people in the crypto world, they lose money. Okay, because they only have one mindset, and that mindset is to buy all these dips. So these exchanges know that they buying these dips, so they can go against them. They're not going to just like go and stop you out right away. Okay, they're not going to stop you out right away because they're not really like controlling the market like that, but they probably going against your trade, as in like doing the opposite of what you're doing. But like I said, these big dogs know where your stop is at, so that's why I told you guys. That's why I told you guys this breakout right here. This 4-hour breakout. When most people saw that the market was going up, they thought it was going to bounce from here. I said that, you know, honestly, guys, I think we're going to continue to go down because there's a lot of stops right here. Okay. And then we had that good news, right? We went up again. Most people thought this was the bottom. I said, guys, if it went this far, most likely it's going to go right back down to stop these guys out. And that's what it did. Notice that it stopped them out with that big red bar. So a lot of people are pissed off right now. A lot of people are pissed off right now, and a lot of people lost money. So anyway, guys, I'm about to get out of here. If you bought my course, already, email me with proof. Email me with proof so I can send you that link to the Discord room. And shout out to everybody that's here. If you don't have this course, definitely check it out because it's 50% off right now. And I'm about to get off a live stream. So as soon as I get off a live stream, it's going to 210. Thanks a lot, everybody, for coming through. Be careful out here. I might do another live stream tonight. We'll see. But guys, be careful out here. Don't let these YouTubers hype you up saying, guys, this is a good buying opportunity. Let's buy the dips. Don't let these guys hype you up. Okay? Look for confirmation before you buy anything. You know, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but in my opinion, everybody should be looking for confirmation before you buy anything else. Just because it looks like it's at a good price doesn't mean that it will continue to go down. XRP is at excellent prices right now, right? Look at XRP. XRP, excellent price, right? 40-something cents. XRP looks like it's about to break down and go lower. Okay, so you can't just look at things just because the price is low. You have to understand how to read the charts, understand the price, understand what's going on, understand the cycle of the market. And once you understand that, then you can say, okay, let me calm down. Let me not buy everything just because it's going low. Anyway, shout out to you guys. Let me get out of here. Shout out to Glenn. Shout out to Buddy. What's going on, Buddy? Shout out to Keith. Yeah, no problem, Axe. Shout out to Axe. He said, thanks for taking the time out for your day to explain the current market. Thanks a lot, man. Shout out to Mart. Shout out to Bruno. Shout out to Leslie. Shout out to David. What's going on, David? Shout out to Crypto Trader. Leslie Savage. Bimmer Bros. Left Lane. Keith. Everybody that's here. Mighty Crypto. Everybody that's here, man. I can't name everybody, but shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming by. TB $, Cedric. Talk to you guys later. I might do another live stream. Who knows? I don't know. But be careful out here. The market is dropping. They're probably looking to drop it some more tomorrow. I know a lot of people think that tomorrow might be a green day, but it don't have to be a green day. Okay, the market could do whatever it wants. I had to learn that the hard way. Okay, you know how many times I said there's no way the market could continue to go up, or there's no way the market could continue to go down. You know how many times I said that in my trading career? That's how I blew so many accounts, right? Looking at, you know, the market tanking or something like that, and I'm holding it, and I'm saying to myself, there's no way this market could continue to go down. That's how I blew multiple accounts, and I'm trying to let you guys not do this. I don't want you guys to do the same. So I'm trying to help you guys. But it's up to you. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Make sure you have a good weekend. If I don't come back today or tomorrow, shout out to you guys. Make sure you have a safe weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, talk to you guys later.